Hello and welcome. In this video, I just want to talk you through what's available now on my Patreon page. So you can see the unlock exclusive content here for $5 or supporter plus. So I'll just take you through them. Welcome to my Patreon page. If you'd like to support my Patreon content, you can do so for $5 per month with the flexibility to cancel anytime. Here you'll find a wide variety of free and exclusive content designed to help you learn about investing in cryptocurrencies, forex, and commodities. So right now I've gone through forex and I've gone through cryptocurrencies, and commodities will be next. And you also have the supporter plus. So become a valued member of my content community with the supporter plus tier. By contributing $6 per month, you will directly be helping fuel the creation of high quality content on both YouTube and Patreon. And yeah, you would be greatly helping me out if you did join, and you'll also be gaining a wealth of knowledge as well. Your generous support not only keeps the channel thriving, but also unlocks all exclusive content available in the $5 tier. So, as a supporter plus, you'll gain access to an extensive and ever growing library of tutorials focused on forex, crypto, and commodity trading. And right so, the first one you'll see is the Bitcoin chart analysis, then the Solana, then the Ethereum step by step buying Shiba Inu, and then the Mastering Bollinger Bands live technical analysis tutorial, Mastering the MACD indicator live technical analysis, and you'll see the RSI, Unlock Momentum Trading, Secrets of Forex, and then Advanced Indicator Analysis, MACD, RSI, and Bollinger bands combined. And then I just have another one there, Master the Art of YouTube, crafting YouTube thumbnails. So they're the 6 videos I have available for sale at the moment, and they're available roughly €2.70 if you want to buy any of them. Buy one or two of them, buy the whole lot, or alternatively join the Patreon on the $5, $6 exclusive tiers. Completely up to yourself, but you will gain a wealth of knowledge if you do join, and you'd be greatly helping me out. I'd like you to join. I'd appreciate you joining,